Guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. For the love of, if you are joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome and thank you for taking the time to click on this vendor wax first impressions. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome on back. You guys, it is a beautiful day out here in Michigan today. Not sure if you can see all that green and blue skies. A little bit chilly. Could be warmer, but it's not snowing, it's not raining, so I guess I can't complain. I hope you guys are doing well too. Today we're going to be talking about a Sassy Girl Aroma unboxing slash first impressions. It's actually only my second ever Sassy Girl Aroma unboxing. And to be honest with you guys, as of lately, my local USPS office has been just horrific with losing my packages and everything. But hats off to Sassy Girl Aroma. I will say, not that the vendors have any control over that, but I ordered these about 4 weeks ago or so. Maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, but these were a pre-order. They did send me an email last week saying that they were on the way, they were en route, and I received it yesterday evening. So I was expecting that it would be much longer before I'd be able to do this unboxing for you guys, but they arrived yesterday evening, so I was super happy about that so I could share them with you guys. I do believe she's doing a restock at the end of the month, the end of May, so if you guys are interested, just keep checking the website and I'm sure she'll do a restock soon. Without further ado, let's get into some wax. All right, you guys, so let's dive into what I got. Before we start with the actual packages that I ordered, it seems like she does always include some sort of little sample in her items. So this is called Citrus Bath. I do enjoy citrus. I typically only burn it during the summer. So to me, I did already smell this off camera. To me, this is very much so like a summer fragrance. I don't know if Citrus Bath is one that she typically comes out with or if this is a new scent or what the deal is with this one. But Citrus Bath, this kind of reminds me of Yankee Candle's lime vanilla. That's what this smells like to me. It's definitely very much so like a citrus fragrance. Definitely has some lime in it. If you're not a lime fan, I don't think you would like this one. I will keep this one. I am curious to see kind of how it melts down, how it throws. To me, this is very much so a summer fragrance. So that's Citrus Bath. That was the sampler she gave me. So I have 2 of the Breakaway Brick bars. So let me unpack them and I'll show you guys what I got. Let's take a peek and see at the first one I got. So this is one of the bars I got. So this one is, look at how pretty, look at the colors in that. Tiffany's Birthday Jam. So the notes of Tiffany's Birthday Jam include blackberry jam, butter cookies, marshmallow, birthday, and cupcakes at Tiffany's. I don't know if birthday is like a scent she typically does. That's like just a birthday cake based scent. I will say, between the 2 that I purchased, this one seems to be a little bit stronger on cold. I obviously haven't melted down on any of these yet because I just got them. I am gonna try to let them cure. I'll probably be tempted to at least break off one of them and melt it down and try it. But I am gonna try to let them cure just so the scent's a little bit stronger. So I will say, like I said, this one's a little bit stronger than the other version I got, which I'll be showing you in a second. What do I get out of this one? So to me on cold, it's very much so a vanilla-y cake battery, like a vanilla cake battery scent. I definitely get like a butter cookie. That's a really strong note is there. It's kind of like that buttery cookie type fragrance with like a cupcakey vanilla, like a heavy vanilla cakey batter type fragrance. That's what I get out of this. I do get wafts of like a fluffy marshmallow here and there. I see the coloring throughout this actual bar. I don't know if the different colors are the different fragrances and she pours that way. I will say the one thing I actually wish it had more of was like a blackberry jam type fragrance. I don't know if I get down to these little pieces here that maybe the blackberry will come through. Those of you who are more familiar with Sassy Girl Aroma, you can leave it in the comments down below. Don't know if that's how she pours these or if the colors are all kind of the same scent. Not quite sure how that works. But to me on cold, I get a very much so vanilla-y, cake battery, butter cookie type fragrance. Do wish there was a little bit more of a berry note to it, but again, we'll see how it is. It smells really good. Don't get me wrong. It smells really, really good. Kind of a, if you're like a vanilla gourmand fan, I think you'll like this one. If you're looking for like a blueberry pie, a berry waffle cone, more of like a berried and gourmand type fragrance, this may not be for you. Again, I haven't melted it down, but just going off of the cold sniff, I don't get much of a blackberry. It's more so pretty much heavily on the gourmand scents. So that's Tiffany's Birthday Jam. Let me show you. We got one more. Let's take a peek and see it. The second one I got, pretty coloring on it as well. This one, I was really excited to try this one. So this one's Adams in the Kitchen. So this one has notes of strawberry pound cake, beach night, fudge butter, Twinkies, marshmallow, cookies and birthday cake. Wow, has a lot of stuff going on in it. So again, like I said, don't know if each one of these colors is a different type of fragrance or if it's just coloring kind of for effect on here. So what do I get out of this one? What I will say, again, I was really hoping to pick up more of kind of like that strawberry kind of pound cake, a little more of that fruity type scent. To me, the main thing this smells like, and those of you who love this scent, I'm sure you'll be like super excited for this, but the main note I'm getting on cold is what I believe to be that beach night scent. Now, while I've never smelled Sassy Girl Aroma's beach night, to me, this is almost identical to Bath & Body Works, the Beach Nights body lotion. I don't remember if it was Vanilla Beach Nights or just called Beach Nights. It was a Bath & Body Works lotion that came out, I think it's come out a few times already. I've used that one in the past. It's just a very kind of creamy, smooth, just a really different type of a vanilla fragrance. That's what this smells like. I kept trying to smell it over and over again, you know, trying to catch different wafts of this one. But to me, Adams in the Kitchen, at least the pour that I got, this really smells like that Bath & Body Works lotion. I was also getting kind of like these wafts of more kind of marshmallow fluff. I was also getting like kind of a heavier note. I don't know if it's that fudge butter. Again, a little bit of like a buttery type note as well. It smells amazing. It's definitely a gourmand type scent. I really hope when I melt down on some of these red portions here, we'll see if that's kind of where I'll find some of that strawberry fragrance. But overall, I mean, both of these smell amazing. Like I said, I'm gonna let both of them cure to kind of see how they do once they sit. I will probably do a little test on each of them just because I'm impatient and I do want to see how they throw. I think these were only $8.95 if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong on the pricing, but for the amount of product you're getting, I don't remember it being super expensive. So beautiful, beautiful bars. Really happy that they came on time. And like I said, I may wind up doing an Instagram follow-up. If I do test these out, you guys will see it on Instagram. Before I sign off, let me tell you guys about my Instagram in case you're not familiar. If you're on there, come find me. I'm at life, L-I-F-E _ with WITH_L. I use my Instagram to do a lot of upcoming videos, posts, hauls, vendor wax updates. So if you guys are on there, come find me. And again, if you guys have tried any of these fragrances from Sassy Girl Aroma, if you guys just got your pre-orders in, comment down below. Let me know which ones you guys got, or let me know what vendor wax you guys are melting now. You guys, that is it for me today. As always, I hope you're having an awesome day, an awesome evening, weekend, whatever time it is you're watching this video. And until next time, we'll see you later.